So you've been selling your product on Amazon for a little while now, and all of a sudden, out of the blue, you get somebody inquiring about wholesaling your product. Now, is that a scam? Are you going to lose a ton of your Amazon stock? It's going to end up on some nefarious website somewhere else being sold right from underneath you, and you're going to lose your shirt. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to figure out if the person contacting you is out to rip you off. Let's go. So if they pay up front, then who cares what they do after that, as long as they don't do the wrong thing by your brand, of course. But once they've paid, and you know they've paid, then really you aren't going to get ripped off. You aren't going to get ripped off. So if that is a concern for you, and it should be, of course, then simple thing to do, pay up front. Pay up front. Okay, now, so that's how you solve that. Now, next level of that. You, as a e-commerce entrepreneur, let's switch the tables now. You're looking to wholesale some products. You're looking to become a distributor for some products. The person who you are looking to wholesale from or distribute from will have exactly the same set of questions in their head too. So you want to make sure that that's all good for you and your business. You want to make sure that's all good, okay? So you want to make sure that your social media is good. Little easy things to do. Dead easy to make sure. If you've got a trademark, that's a good thing. People say they've got a trademark. Clearly, they're interested in their business. Even just having a PTY Ltd company instead of a sole trader, some people, wrongly in my opinion, but still they do, assume that means a greater security for their business, like you've invested more in it, okay? So that's something for you to consider as well. But I will say from my own experience that 99% of people are good in my experience, and my default is to trust but verify, with the knowledge that 99% of people will absolutely do the right thing by you. I've been ripped off a couple of times, but it's insignificant compared to the amount of times where I've had people do the right thing by me and gone on and had great business relationships with them, okay? So I wouldn't spend too much time stressing about it. The easiest fix, as the very, very smart folks on this particular call have already established, is simply to get upfront payment. Okay, that's the easiest. So that was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. There's actually over 2,500 members now right here in Australia, and growing. We're the fastest growing e-commerce community here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, and how, more importantly, how we can help you build your own or grow your own e-commerce business, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is right underneath in the description, or you can just go Google that, Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. You'll find us that way too. See you in the next video. Bye.